Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am taking a look at Grid Master EA. It's an expert advisor available for MT5. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at 149 US dollars with a 1 month retail option available for 99 US dollars. This is version 1.1, updated on July 22nd, 2024, and developed by Andre Hurin. According to the marketplace description, Gridmaster is a fully automated and highly customizable grid trading algorithm designed to capture market volatility. The developer states that the goal is to convert market movements into trading opportunities while providing a wide range of customization and risk control options. Now, as we move through the product page, one of the first things highlighted is the built-in trading panel. The panel provides performance statistics, account information, active orders, drawdown information, and profit tracking across daily, weekly, and monthly periods. Now, having this information available directly on the chart can make monitoring much more convenient. The EA also includes an automatic lot calculator that can calculate position size based on account balance. When enabled, users can choose whether the system trades only long positions, only short positions, or both directions. Okay, so looking further into the feature set, Gridmaster allows users to define how many points the market must move before an initial entry is opened. Beyond that, the grid structure itself can be customized through settings such as grid step, multiplier, and multiply after. One particularly interesting feature is the availability of 3 separate customizable grid configurations, allowing the grid structure to adjust automatically at predefined intervals. All right, now risk management and account protection receive significant attention as well. There are controls for maximum lot size, maximum numbers of buy and sell positions, and a max drawdown setting designed to act as an account level protection mechanism. The EA also includes advanced exit management. Take profit values can be configured using points, money values, or percentages of account balance. There are additional options that allow take profit behavior to adapt depending on how long a backtest or a basket of trades has been active. Other protective features include trailing stop, loss, and break-even functionality, giving users additional flexibility in how profits and risks are managed. The marketplace page also highlights several filtering tools. These include indicator-based filters using moving average, Bollinger Bands, and RSI, along with a news filter that can avoid trading around important economic events. There is also a highly customizable time filter that allows users to define trading schedules throughout the week. Now, moving into the historical backtest section, this is where we can evaluate how the EA performed during the selected testing period. As always, it is important to remember that backtest results represent historical analysis only and should not be interpreted as guarantees of future performance. Okay, so based on the strategy description provided by the developer, the EA begins by opening an initial position according to the selected trading direction and entry conditions. If the market continues moving away from that position, additional orders may be added according to the configured grid settings. So the basket is then closed when the predefined take profit target is reached, after which a new trading cycle can begin. So now we are just trying to look at the provided information regarding the backtest that the developer made available. we are seeing that from an initial deposit of $10,000, total net profit was over $430,000. Total trades taken were over 3,200, and out of 3,220 trades, 1,848 were profitable. That gives us a 57.39% win rate. All right. But I can see that the equity drawdown maximal is 36.51%. Okay, it's quite high though. For those who are not really comfortable with drawdowns, we can see that this is quite a figure. But the balance drawdown maximal is about 10.81%. Right now, we're just gonna head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed in 2026 from 1st January 2026 till date. So we are testing the Gridmaster EA on XAU on the H1 time frame, and for the delays we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we can see that the initial deposit was $100,000 and the total net profit was over $590,000. This is crazy. So the total trades taken were 3,588. Short trades were 2,068. Long trades were 8,520. The total number of profitable trades were 1,816. That's 50.61% win rate. The largest profit was 12,597.12, while the largest loss 328,730.4. The average profit was 112.72. Average loss was 448.83. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio on average is very poor. It's really bad, and the win rate is also not good enough, right? So while reviewing historical chart activity, it's useful to observe how the configured grid parameters influence trade spacing, position sizing, and overall basket management. Since many settings are user adjustable, behavior can vary significantly depending on how the EA is configured. Looking at the historical testing performance, it's also worth remembering that results can be influenced by risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. For that reason, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Overall, the Gridmaster provides a very extensive collection of customization, filtering, and account protection tools for traders interested in a grid-based automated trading approach. The flexibility available through its entry settings, grid controls, exit management options, and filtering features makes it one of the more configurable systems in this category. As always, do your own testing, optimize the settings for your trading objectives, and evaluate the historical performance carefully before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.